when you are popping the lid on anything that's buried in the ground, look out for those guys down in there. You see what that is crawling around. He's quite pissed I've opened up his house. So I'm gonna put the lid on and leave him alone. Maybe when I come back in a few minutes, he'll be gone. Any piggyback plug float switch will work. Pretty easy, simple change. Today we're down here at New Smyrna Beach putting in a generator. Electricians have already dropped it off and wired it. We're running the gas line to it. Maybe get a startup done this afternoon on it as well. We picked up a site inspector. Gopher turtle just wandered out of the woods. He's checking us out. As friendly as he is, he's probably getting some snacks for some of these people. Generator installed. She is hooked up and ready for a startup. All right, we've made it back. We're going to do a descale on these 3 units, and we've set up a little schedule over the next year to descale the other units, the ones on the roof. So I'm going to clip this onto the bucket and let's get started. Was the little bowl that dirty? Could be. It's been 4 years. They've never been serviced. The order was clear when I started, and that's only after a couple of minutes. while we wait. Look at that. See what happens when the descaler gets into that little baby bowler? So I'm going to find someplace cool, have a nice drink, time them out about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I'll change the stuff and run it through one more time. Takes a few seconds for it to work. As soon as that stuff hits the boiler, she starts to come out. Okay, our 45-minute alarm has gone off. Time to change the water and do it again. I won't have to run this as long. This is much improved. Look at the citric acid eating away at that fitting on that washing machine hose.